Hi everyone, today we are working a secondary area. Secondary areas are areas where the docking station and the iMow cannot match up. So common areas would be if you have a fence that you cannot have any access in and out of all the time. And in this instance, it's the front yard of this house. So the secondary area requires you to pick the iMow up and place it in that area and cut it without a docking station location to go back and recharge. So there are some limitations with secondary areas, and the biggest one really is the size of the secondary area. Because the iMow only has so much battery life and it can't go back and recharge, you got to take that into consideration. Here we have a secondary area that's about 20 feet by 30 feet, and it's definitely going to require more than one charge of the battery to complete everything. And really, that's getting back to the idea of the robotic lawnmower. It's all about frequency. It's about getting that lawn cut over and over and over again, giving it lots of chances to cut every inch of grass, because it has that random algorithm. So it's something we're learning too as we do some more installs, what the limitations are on these units. But again, if you can just kind of think of it as another routine to your week, as far as if you're going to grab the mail every day, now it's just a matter of placing your iMow out in your secondary area, at least a couple times a week, and that will help make sure it's catching all the spots. For more information on secondary areas, please visit imowforyou.com and subscribe to this channel.